తెలంగాణ అసెంబ్లీలో రైతుల ఆత్మహత్యలపై జరుగుతున్న చర్చలో ఎంఐఎం నేత అక్బరుద్దీన్ ఓవైసీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Learned agricultural minister who we know gives a very lengthy speeches, very long speeches. Many legislators have folded their hands asking him, sir, enough, sir, bas hai saab. And we all have the patience to hear him for hours and hours together. And what I see the statement now is just 2 pages. Is this the seriousness? This is what is the seriousness of the government towards the farmers? Is this what we are doing for the farmers? Sir, at least we should have some words. And when Honorable Minister Saab in his statement, I would like to go on the 4th paragraph in which Minister Saab has said that further analysis of district-wise rainfall data indicates that Adilabad, Khambam and Warangal, except Jalgaon Revenue Division, had normal rainfall and crop condition is satisfactory. This is what he had said. But I was going to the details. That means in Adilabad and in Warangal and Khambam, where we had normal rainfalls, then we should not have had any farmers committing suicide. When I see the statement, the entire blame is on the rain gods. Entire blame is that ke rain deficit, पानी कम पड़ा, बारिश कम हुई, बादल नहीं आए. ठीक है, उसके बाद आप कह रहे हैं कि अपने स्टेटमेंट में खुद मिनिस्टर साहब कह रहे हैं कि आदिलाबाद, खम्मम और वरंगल में नॉर्मल रेनफॉल हुई है और क्रॉप कंडीशन सैटिस्फैक्टरी है. अगर क्रॉप कंडीशन सैटिस्फैक्टरी है, नॉर्मल रेनफॉल है, तो आदिलाबाद में मेरा सवाल है, रजिस्टर्ड सुसाइड आर 70 नंबर्स. फिर नॉर्मल रेनफॉल और उसके बाद में क्रॉप कंडीशन सैटिस्फैक्टरी. Then why are these farmers committing suicide is my question. In Adilabad, in Khammam again the same has been said, normal rainfall and satisfactory condition of crop. Sir, in that registered suicide are 30 and the actual find out committee which was constituted says that it was 28. Sir, my question is that, and again if we have to go to Warangal, the same statement has been said, normal rainfall and crop is satisfactory. The registered suicide are again 108. Government committee inquired and said that yes, 96 farmers have committed suicide. Actual find outs are 51. Government is going to give compensation to 51. So, your statement says rain gods are responsible. But your statement also says that 3 districts there is normal rainfall. So the question is that in spite of normal rainfall and satisfactory crops conditions, why are the farmers committing suicide? What is the reason for this? So we got to know, we got to see. And then also, I was just going through the details, sir, in that in agricultural department there are 120 agriculture officers posts, JDA, Joint Director of Agriculture posts are vacant. Except 1 district, remaining 8 districts, the in charge are acting as JDAs. The key roles in agricultural field, there are 100 and above AO and ADA level officers working in Hyderabad and neighboring districts on deputation. So question is that, sir, why are they working in Hyderabad? What is the government taking action against those people? Can't we send them back to help the farmers do the duty what they are doing? Honorable Minister Saab had given a statement asking them to go back. You just made a request. You made a request to them to go back. We need to give strict instruction and see that they go back and they report to the duties which they have been assigned and implement that. Implementation is not there. Sir, example, 17 agriculture officers of Nizamabad are working on deputation at Hyderabad Agriculture Commissionerate. Like this from Adilabad 2 numbers, Khammam 3 numbers, Mahbubnagar 4 numbers, Medak 1 officer is working. This is the real pathetic state, sir. Sir, at the same time, before going further ahead, sir, I have the figures over here. Please do not take me wrong. But I want to give the details. Sir, KTR Sahab, Minister Sahab, Constancy, Sirsalla, farmer suicide, 18. Itila Rajendra Sahab, Minister Sahab, farmer suicide, 15. Lachma Reddy, Minister Sahab, Jadchalla, farmer suicide, 15. Chandulal Sahab, Minister Sahab, farmer suicide, 12. Harish Rao Sahab, farmer suicide, 11. Srinivas Reddy Sahab, Agriculture Minister Sahab, farmer suicide, 10. Mahendra Reddy Sahab, 10. Jugu Ramaya Sahab, Adilabad, 10. Juppalli Krishna Rao, Kolhapur, 10. Indra Kiran Reddy, Nirmal, 8. Jagdeshwar Reddy, Suryapet, 4. So many farmers are committing suicide. The question is that, why? Why are they committing suicide? Sir, when people want to know about Gajwel, I remember a beautiful photograph of our Honorable Chief Minister, looking very smart farmer, with a lovely and a beautiful cap or a hat, what we could say. Yes. No, बहुत अच्छा था बोल रहा हूँ साहब. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Very smart, I said. Very nice, I said. Very good, I said. And what I want and what I dream is that, okay, in next 5 years I would see all the Telangana farmers not committing suicide but looking as smart as our Chief Minister, wearing the same type of hats and making the same amount of money what our Honorable Chief Minister makes in his farming sector. This should be the ambition. And I hope that. I also have the pictures, sir. When Honorable Minister Sahab is blaming the rain gods, I would not like to go into the profits of what Honorable Chief Minister Sahab is making in his farm. But I would like to go on only the greenery which he is having. The greenery of Chief Minister's farm is very good. It's green, lush green. Why is the beside farm सूखा, मरा हुआ और जमीन क्यों है? क्या वहां पे बादल नहीं बरस रहे हैं आपके स्टेटमेंट के हिसाब से? फिर यहां बादल कैसे बरसा रहे हैं? जो बादल यहां बरसा रहे हैं वैसे ही बादल सारे रियासत में बरसाइए, यही हम चाहते हैं. यही हम चाहते हैं कि वैसे ही बादल बरसाइए. सर, द सिचुएशन इज वेरी बैड. आई एम नॉट अ फार्मर. I am being born and brought up in Hyderabad. But I know the pain and the suffering of the farmers. What are we all political parties and leaders doing for these farmers? The only thing that we do is every year we come here, we stand here, few parties have an agitation, have some placards, stop the proceedings of the House, want the debate, and when the debate happens, the debate has happened, we have done with our formality, we have done with our duty, we have done what we could do, and we again go smiling back to our homes. No! Today we want some results. Today we want this farmer suicide to be stopped and the measures to be taken from the government. It is the responsibility of the government to see that the farmer doesn't commit suicide. What is happening, sir? It's a very pathetic state. The farmers are crying. If I have to go into the stories, sir, we will not be able to listen to the stories, sir. And then, going into the specific of the issue of the farmer suicide, I would like to know from the Honorable Chief Minister, KCR Sahab, to clarify on the cabinet decision on an enhancement of ex gratia for families of farmers who committed suicide. I would like to have the clarifications. So, briefing the media, after the cabinet meeting on 19 September, Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Karyam Srihari Sahab, announced that the cabinet decided to enhance the ex gratia to a total of rupees 6 lakhs per family from rupees 1.5 lakhs earlier, and that the decision would be implemented with prospective effect from the date of 19 September 2015. Sir, I got a GO over here. And I'll give one copy to my leader of opposition, Saab also. He has that. GOMS number 170, 22nd September 2015. That enhanced compensation would be provided 19 September 2015. Now in the statement of Minister Saab says that the Minister of Agriculture Saab, Srinivas Reddy Saab, stated that the government is proposing to grant enhanced ex gratia to all suicide death approved by the committee since 2nd June 2015. I would like to know what had prevented the government to enhance the ex gratia to rupees 6 lakh to farmers' family with retroactive effect, sir, when the cabinet discussed the issue and took the decision. Apparently, the government has second the thought on the decision of implement the enhanced ex gratia with prospective effect in view of assembly session. Sir, I really don't understand. Jio क्या कह रहा है और फिर यहां स्टेटमेंट क्या कह रहा है? फिर ये कि आज मैं न्यूज़पेपर्स में देखता हूं, सर, I have the newspaper cuttings also, sir. Telugu papers, sir. Kadiyam Seri Saab, other ministers giving away checks. Then why are you giving away checks worth only 1.5 lakhs rupees is the question. आप देना था 6.5 लाख, तो कब से दे रहे हैं वो बताइए आप. वो भी सही साफ वाजे तौर से नहीं आता है. This is the reason why the farmers are committing suicide. There are many reasons for it, sir. And I hope that Honorable Minister Saab would give the details when he rises to give the reply, sir. Sir, at the same time, sir, most of the suicides, 23.2% in Telangana were due to bankruptcy and inadequateness, and 87.5% of farmer suicide due to failure of crop were reported. Failure of crops, sir. Sir, in that, I again have the list. I again have the list of the farmers who had committed suicide in Adilabad, Khammam and Warangal, where the Minister Saab says that rainfall was normal, crop was satisfactory. And the committee constituted by the government says that the farmers who have committed suicide in Adilabad and Khammam, the reason for that is the failure of crop. So, how, sir, I really want to know, sir, what is this? Where are we going, sir? So the report further reveals that 53.1% of 14.5 of small farmers who committed suicide were reported in Telangana. 366 out of 2,516 during 2014, sir. This is the report, not my figures, sir. National Sample Survey Organization, sir, NSSO, sir. Sir, again then we go. Percentage of outstanding loans from money lenders. I don't know. Is the House aware of that? Sir, the main reason is that I have the figures again I will give, sir. Sir, percentage of outstanding loans from the money lenders, Telangana is the number one state in entire country. 60.3%. Again, this is not my figures. Am I wrong or right? So what are we doing to curb the private money lenders? What are we doing? How many people had applied, sir? I would like to ask the Honorable Minister Saab. Minister Saab, क्या आप मुझे बता सकेंगे कि कितने लोगों ने वो किसान का कार्ड, that किसान कार्ड के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं? More than 1 lakh people had applied for that kisan card. In that, only 80,000 people were given that kisan card. Is this what the farmers expected from the state of Telangana? And this is why they wanted their own state of Telangana? 1 लाख से ज्यादा लोग फार्म का कार्ड के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं और हुकूमत में उतनी ताकत भी नहीं है, उतनी इस्तेताअत भी नहीं है, उतनी काबिलियत भी नहीं है कि अप्लाई करने वालों को किसान कार्ड दे सकें. किसान कार्ड नहीं मिला, बैंक से लोन नहीं मिला, इंश्योरेंस नहीं मिलता. They don't get insurance, they don't get bank loans. They are forced to go to private money lenders. Are we going to do anything about that? Is a question mark, sir. Sir, of the average outstanding loans of rupees 47,000. At the all India level, about 26% of loan is taken from the money lenders. There are again wide variation within the state of Telangana, where when I said it is more than 50% outstanding, sir. Sir, these are the issues which we need to curb, which we need to take care. लेकिन क्या कर रहे हैं हम? कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. किसान रोज मर रहा है, अपनी जान दे रहा है, और हम अपनी सियासी दुकान को चमकाने में लगे हैं. ऐसे नहीं होगा. So portion of agriculture household with outstanding loans, again 89.1% is the share of Telangana state. Total amount of outstanding loan as per agriculture household, Telangana 93,500 sir. ये फिगर्स है ये सारी. तो ये फिगर्स के बाद में सर क्यों ये किसान खुदकशी कर रहे हैं, एक सवाल उठता है सर. Sir, a single village in Telangana, Chief Minister's home district Medak has recorded 34 farmers' suicide, 5 of them after the new state of Telangana was born. Why, sir? Why is this happening? We have to look into that, sir. Sir, और इसके बाद में और अगर हम आगे जाते हैं, sir, my question is that when Honorable Minister Saab's statement has blamed only rain gods, who's stopping the government to declare a drought for this districts? Is anybody stopping? Why don't you declare a drought? When you claim that our state is the second richest state after Gujarat, who's stopping? Is the finances stopping? Is the money stopping? What is stopping you to declare drought? Why aren't you declaring drought? Is the question. और फिर आज 15 महीने में I was hearing to my speeches of my learned friend Jeevan Reddy Saab, then Dr. Lakshman, then Vice, our party's leader. Everybody said that more than 1,000, almost 1,400. That means 30 farmers a month. Again, that means one farmer a day. Every day one farmer is dying. Every day one farmer is dying. Let us not blame each other. ये गवर्नमेंट थी ऐसा करे, वो गवर्नमेंट थी ऐसा करे, 10 साल पहले आप थे. I also saw a statement. Of my very good friend, learned friend, Mr. KTR साहब. तेलुगु पेपर में आया है साहब. Please, who's responsible for farmer suicide? उसके ऊपर जवाब दिए. KTR साहब पेपर में आया है कि 5 साल बाद हमसे पूछना. तो सर
प्लीज साइलेंस.
मैं आपकी बात को मानता हूं. चलिए 5 साल बाद. I also agree. It's a new state. The injustice being done to our state for years and years together cannot be settled in a short time. But I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, does he stand with the statement that we have to wait for 5 years? I would like to know. If,
Please.
sir, if not for 5 years, please give this house an assurance that from tomorrow not a single farmer is going to commit suicide. Then I would say that yes, this government is doing something. I want to have results of this debate. We should have a result of this debate. A strong message, एक मजबूत पैगाम हमको भेजना है यहां से फार्मर्स को कि ये हम करेंगे, ऐसा करेंगे, ये करेंगे, ये हमारा प्रोग्राम है, हम ये देंगे, वो देंगे. ऐसा नहीं होना है. जैसा मैंने एक कहानी सुनाई थी बादशाह के दरबार में, एक गाने वाले ने गाना गाया था. बादशाह ने कहा वाह 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 वाह, क्या गाया. वो क्या गाया, उसको हीरे दे दिए, मोती दे दिए, अशरफी दे दिए. गाना खत्म हुआ. गाने वाला दरबार में गया, कहने लगा बादशाह आपने मेरे गाने पे जमीन दी, हीरे दिए, मोती दिए, अब तक कुछ नहीं मिला. तो बादशाह कहता है अरे बाबा ये लेने देने की बात कहां से है, तूने मेरे कान को खुश किया, मैंने तेरे कान को खुश किया. ऐसा नहीं होना है. ऐसा नहीं होना है कि मैं कुछ कह रहा हूं आप मेरा जवाब दें. बल्कि हमको यहां से किसानों को जवाब देना होगा, किसानों तक पैगाम पहुंचाना होगा, किसानों को यह बात कहना होगा कि बंद करो खुदकशी, यह हुकूमत तुम्हारी है, हम तुम्हारे हैं, हमारे नजर में तुम्हारी जान की अहमियत है, तुम्हारे खानदान की खुशहाली की जिम्मेदारी हमारी है और हम इन इकदामात के जरिए तुम्हारी जिंदगियों के अंधेरों को दूर करेंगे और उजालों को लाएंगे। यह पैगाम देना है। वी हैव टू गिव दिस, बट दिस थिंग इज नॉट हैपनिंग सर। और मैं यह भी जरूर कहूंगा सर, Sir, in the last 2 decades, from the time of TDP rule in undivided AP, in 1995, thousands of farmers have ended their lives in despair. Chandrababu Naidu Sahib had refused to provide ex gratia then. But I remember, once again I remember, the late leader, Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, sir. He has waived the complete loans of the farmers. If I'm wrong, I may be corrected, sir. One time state. Now, the government proposes to waive the loan in 1, 2, 3 installments, 4 installments. कौन जीता है तेरे जुल्फ के सर होने तक? किसी शायर ने क्या खूब कहा है कि आह को चाहिए एक उम्र असर होने तक, कौन जीता है तेरे जुल्फ के सर होने तक? 4 इंस्टॉलमेंट साहब, कब होगा? तो आई रिक्वेस्ट ए वन टाइम सेटलमेंट करिए, एक ही वक्त में दे दीजिए। अरे हम सेकंड रिचेस्ट स्टेट है ना भाई। सर, आर वी नॉट द सेकंड रिचेस्ट स्टेट एज पर द बजट एस्टिमेट्स एंड द बजट प्रेजेंटेड, एंड इट इज अ सरप्लस स्टेट। सरप्लस स्टेट में पैसा रहने के बाद क्यों तरसा रहे हो किसानों को, क्यों तड़पा रहे हो किसानों को? यह सवाल है, दे दीजिए उनको। सर, मोर देन द फेलियर ऑफ मानसून सर, resulting in drought condition in large part of the state, I feel the government has failed to inspire confidence among the farmers about its sincerity to tackle the problem affecting the farm sector. The recurring suicide are a grim reminder that half-hearted measures would not help to tackle these crises, sir. So the TRS has promised to loan waiver, sir. Sir?
Please conclude.
Sir, I'll conclude in 15 minutes, sir. Request, sir.
2 minutes.
यही है साहब, यही है। पहले तो हम बोलना नहीं चाहते, बोले तो सुनना नहीं चाहते और हंसना चाहते हैं लोग। वहां किसान मर रहा है, अफसोस यहां लोग बैठ के हंस रहे हैं। मीडिया आज बहुत ताकतवर हो चुका है। प्लीज डू नॉट टेक मीडिया फॉर ग्रांटेड। ऑल द पीपल आर लाफिंग व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग। आई वुड लाइक टू रिमाइंड यू दैट you are being voted. I have come to power because of the farmers. Because of the farmers.
Please.
और आज आप you are laughing at the farmers. किसानों पे हंस।
Please silence. Please silence.
स्पीकर सर, एक मिनट भाई। स्पीकर सर, एक मिनट।
Please silence.
స్పీకర్ సార్,
Please.
గౌరవ సభ్యులు అక్బరుద్దీన్ ఓవైసీ గారు చెప్పిందంతా కూడా గౌరవ మంత్రివర్యులు మా పోచారం శ్రీనివాసరెడ్డి గారు వ్యవసాయ శాఖ మంత్రివర్యులు అన్ని అంశాలు కూడా చాలా క్షుణ్ణంగా నోట్ చేసుకుంటా ఉన్నారు. సార్, ఇఫ్ హీ వాంట్స్ టు ప్లే టు ద గ్యాలరీ, ఇఫ్ హీ వాంట్స్ టు ప్లీజ్ పీపుల్, ఇఫ్ హీ వాంట్స్ టు ప్లీజ్ మీడియా, ఈజ్ వెల్కమ్ సార్. ఈజ్ అ లెర్నెడ్ మ్యాన్, a senior legislator. If he only wants to play to the gallery and if he only wants to create a statement, he wants to make a statement, he is more than welcome, sir. He has every right like any other member. But to say that the government is not serious, to say that some legislators are laughing, and to say that somebody is monitoring us, sir, we are senior legislators here. We are in a responsible position running the government, sir. We are far more serious, and therefore in the statement that was given in the morning, my learned friend should know, the government has not only come forward with a positive intent to give retrospective coverage to every single suicide that has happened since June 2, 2014. We've also clearly said in our statement, sir, చాలా స్పష్టంగా వారికి చెప్పాం, ఒకటేసారి రుణమాఫీ చేయడానికి కూడా సానుభూతితో పరిశీలిస్తామని చెప్పిన తర్వాత దానికి ఇన్ని రకాలుగా, సార్ వారికి ఏమైనా చెప్పదలుచుకుంటే ఆయన పెద్ద గొంతేసుకుని మాట్లాడినంత మాత్రాన అదేదో గొప్ప విషయం అన్నట్టు విషయం స్ట్రైట్గా కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు సార్. ये सबकी जरूरत नहीं है. आप अगर कुछ पॉइंट बनाना चाहते हो, बोलना चाहते हो, सीधा सीधा बोलो. उसमें किसी और पे कमेंट करने की क्या जरूरत है? सुबह जीवन रेड्डी साहब बात करें, दयाकर साहब बात करें, लक्ष्मण साहब बात करें, सारे ही लोग बात करें. आप भी वही वही कह रहे हो जो लोग ने कहा है, आप दोहरा रहे हो बात, वही सेम बात। गवर्नमेंट सीरियस है, इसलिए आप देख रहे हो इतने सारे लोग आपकी बात सुन रहे हैं। मैं आपसे गुजारिश करता हूं, जो भी आप पेश करना चाहते हैं, जो भी आप हाउस के सामने रखना चाहते हैं, सीधा सीधा करें। आप सुबह भी एक मुद्दा उठा दिए, उस पर भी सीएम साहब रिस्पॉन्ड करें। वी आर ट्रीटिंग यू विथ utmost respect. Please also pay us back in the same coin. Please also, sir, you have the same right.
Silence.
Mr. Owaisi, you have the same right as every other member. You do not enjoy special privileges here. You please make note of that. आप सुबह मुद्दा उठाए, हम जवाब भी दिए सरकार की तरफ से, अभी भी हम यही चाहते हैं। Please do not play to the gallery. Please make a,
Pay silence.
मैं सीधी बात बोल रहा हूं ओवैसी साहब, अगर आप इज्जत देंगे तो जरूर इज्जत वापस मिलेगा। अब अगर गैर जिम्मेदारी अगर आप एक्यूजेशन लगाएंगे, सरकार बिल्कुल चुप नहीं बैठेगी। गैर जिम्मेदारी एक्यूजेशन की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। आप जो पॉइंट कहना चाहते हैं सीधा कहिए, आप जो पॉइंट कहना चाहते हैं सीधा कहिए, सरकार रिस्पॉन्ड करेगी। खाली पीली गैर जिम्मेदारी बातें करने की क्या जरूरत है यहाँ पे? हम लोग बहुत सीरियस है, इसलिए यहाँ बैठते हैं।
Please बैठिए.
If he wants to play to the gallery, let him, sir. We don't have a problem.
Play silence. Please silence.
Honorable Speaker
तो
Sahab,
బాగా జరుగుతున్నది, గౌరవంగా జరుపుకుందాం, ప్రశాంతంగా
I
సహకరించండి.
thank a responsible minister for intervening in my speech.
ప్లీజ్.
When all the other leaders were speaking, the government never intervened. And again they say that I am repeating what has been said. अफसोस तो यही है ना साहब, इतने सब लोग बोल रहे हैं मगर कान पे इनके जूं तक नहीं रेंगती। यही है साहब कि we all are saying, and I have a strong objection to this. What does the honorable minister means? कि सीधा सीधा बोलिए, मैं टेढ़ा बोल रहा हूं। सीधे का मतलब क्या है? सर,
Please
Honorable
silence.
Speaker, sir, you are on the chair, you are the speaker, you are the custodian of this house. Minister cannot say this, कि सीधा सीधा बोलो। How can he say that सीधा सीधा? मैं अगर टेढ़ा बोल रहा हूं, क्या टेढ़ा बोल रहा हूं बताइए। अगर सीधा सीधा बोलना है तो अपने पार्टी के लोगों को बोल लो। तुम्हारे हम जो है सो सीधी उल्टी बात सुनने के नहीं है। आप अपना बोल लो अपने पार्टी के लोगों को। और मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं,
Please silence.
क्या मतलब है सीधा सीधा? सर, आई हैव द राइट टू पुट अक्रॉस सर।
Speaker, sir.
माय हार्ट इज पेनिंग।
Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir. గౌరవ సభ్యులు, సార్ స్పీకర్ సార్, గౌరవ సభ్యులు ఎంతైతే సీరియస్ గా ఈ అంశాన్ని లేవనెత్తుతా ఉన్నారో, ప్రభుత్వం అంతకంటే సీరియస్ గా ఉందని చెప్పడానికి,
One second.
దాంతో పాటు వారు ఏమన్నారు అధ్యక్ష, నేను మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఇతరులు మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఏదో బాద్షా కథ చెప్పారు, ఓకే సంతోషం, వారేదో ఇంకా చాలా రకాలుగా వారి పాయింట్ చెప్తా ఉన్నారు, మాకు ఇబ్బంది లేదు, వారు చెప్పిన సీరియస్ అంశాన్ని ప్రతిదాన్ని నోట్ చేసుకుంటాం, తప్పకుండా రిప్లైలో ప్రభుత్వం సమాధానం చెప్తుంది. కాకపోతే why does he have to cast aspersions on the treasury benches అధ్యక్ష? ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్న వాళ్ళు నవ్వుతున్నారని, సీరియస్ గా లేరని మీడియా గమనిస్తోందని, నేనేమంటా ఉన్నా అధ్యక్ష, ఈ రకమైన మాటలు మాట్లాడినప్పుడు తప్పకుండా నేరుగా సబ్జెక్ట్ లోకి రండి, విషయం మీద మాట్లాడండి అని చెప్పడానికి मैं क्या बोला साहब आपको? मैं बोला आप सीधे सब्जेक्ट पे बात करो, खाली पीली इधर उधर दिखा के इन्हों हंस रहे हैं उन्हें हंस रहे हैं बोलने की क्या जरूरत है इसमें? हम लोग सीरियस हैं इसलिए तो बैठ के आप सबको सुन रहे हैं, हम लोग बहुत ही सीरियस हैं। एवरी सिंगल पॉइंट यू आर रेजिंग इज बीइंग नोटेड एंड द गवर्नमेंट थ्रू ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर एग्रीकल्चर विल रेस्पॉन्ड। दैट्स ऑल आई मेंट। यू डोंट हैव टू cast aspersions on us and neither do you have to get a response like this. It's unfortunate that in a civil debate like this, where we've had the main opposition, the Telugu Desam, YSRCP, BJP, everybody speak, none of the ministers raised and took an objection. But it's unfortunate because you had to cast aspersions and then we have to respond. हम लोग तो चुप बैठ के यहाँ सुनेंगे नहीं ना, आप हमारे मेंबर्स को बोलेंगे, ट्रेजरी बेंचेस को बोलेंगे, गवर्नमेंट को ही बोले। आप बोले साहब इसलिए रिस्पॉन्ड करना पड़ा, मजबूर करें आप हमको रिस्पॉन्ड करने के लिए, हम किसी और के इसमें तो एतराज नहीं करें। So unfortunately sir, let the member, honorable member, my learned friend realize sir that the government is extremely serious. Otherwise we wouldn't have so many ministers sitting here and responding sir. Let him take note of that, let him take cognizance of the fact. Once again I reiterate sir, let him take cognizance of the fact that the government has proactively come forward, not just for for considering one-time settlement of loan. We have also come forward and we've expressed in our statement, through our statement, that we will be covering all farmers from June 2nd,
Please,
2014. Sir, let my learned friend realize
I
that.
request the members to confine to the subject and address to the chair. Please,
Honorable
please,
Speaker,
no
sir.
further discussions. Please continue.
I am very serious with all my discussions, sir.
You are serious?
I come
That's
to
why
this house
everybody
very
is
prepared.
keen.
And at the same time,
Please,
I also want to lodge my strong protest on the words used by the Honorable Minister stating that I'm playing to the galleries. No. No. You shouldn't be saying this. You're an educated man, learned man, USA returned. Such words do not suit your stature. It is so sad. I am not playing to the media, nor I'm playing to anybody. I am screaming, I am shouting, and I'm crying, putting across my thoughts, my pain for the farmers who are committing suicide. Let me make it very clear. And saying that कि आप सीधा जाइए, साहब हम बहुत सीधा जाते हैं और हमारे सीधे रास्ते में अगर कोई आता है तो रौंदते हुए भी हम चले जाते हैं। टेढ़ा जाना हमारी आदत नहीं है। बोलना कुछ, करना कुछ, कानों को खुश करना, हथेली में जन्नत दिखाना, झूठे वादे करके चले जाना, ये हम नहीं है। इस वास्ते हम हमारे लोगों के दिलों पे 50 साल से जायद से उनके दिलों पे हुकूमत कर रहे हैं और बार बार जीत कर आ रहे हैं, बार बार जीत कर आए। अगर हम टेढ़े रास्ते पे चलने वाले होते तो बार बार नहीं आते।
please come to the point.
And going on, sir, so the TRS government has promised to for loan waiver for the farmers in its manifesto of 2014 elections. Sir, before going on this, sir, I would like to clarify and say that I wouldn't have said, sir, but Honorable Minister Saab had said, so I am forced to say कि मॉर्निंग में भी आप ऐसा करें, मॉर्निंग में मैं करा। Sir, my question to Honorable Speaker, to you is, sir, as my custodian, sir, I am just requesting you to come for my rescue, sir. Sir, it was said that in Business Advisory Committee, adjournment motion will not be taken. And I said, no, it is wrong. Postponement of question hour was there.